Hi, welcome to Retail-Outsource. In this video we discuss how to use SKU for your inventory. SKU, stock keeping unit numbers, are a way for you to keep track of your inventory and quickly identify what you have in stock. They can also help you quickly locate items in your Etsy shop, studio, or storage space. You can make your SKUs numbers, letters, or a combination of both. How to add SKU numbers to your listings. To add SKU numbers to your listings, click Add or Edit a listing. Scroll down to Inventory and Pricing. Add a SKU next to SKU. Once you're done, click Publish. How to create an effective SKU system. Create SKUs based on the product itself. For example, if you're listing ribbon that comes in velvet, cotton, and silk, your SKUs might look like this. Label your products based on their location in your workspace. If you store your ribbon in a particular location, like a desk drawer, it can be helpful to incorporate that information into your SKU system. Specify different colors or patterns in your SKUs. If you offer many similar colors or patterns of an item, you could use SKUs to help differentiate between your products. How to manage your inventory with SKUs. SKU numbers will help you track items in your shop, as well as your overall inventory, as you're fulfilling orders across multiple channels, like Etsy and a personal website. With an effective SKU system, they can be used to search and locate items using the search bar in the listings section of your shop manager. You can also quickly view, add, or edit SKUs to each item in your shop using Quick Edit. Tips to get started SKU. Keep your SKU numbers short. This will keep them manageable for you and your shop members. Etsy recommends 4 to 8 characters for most inventory. Consider adding letters to your SKU system. This will help differentiate your SKUs and prevent you from using the same SKU twice. Letters can also keep your SKUs short. Avoid using the letters O and I. They can easily be mistaken for numbers. Avoid using symbols in your SKUs, like commas or slashes. They may confuse certain computer programs like Excel. I hope this video is helpful. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. Thanks a lot for watching.